Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can design the second part of the connecting rod of the V12 car engine in SolidWorks, okay?
Hey everyone, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Solvi engineer community, okay? And now, let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is click on New Part, then you click on OK. Right click on the front plan, normal 2, right click, then sketch. I'm gonna draw the first circle like this. The first circle dimension will be 70 millimeter diameter. I'm gonna add another circle, and the diameter of this new circle is 38 millimeter. Okay, then you click on OK. Now I'm gonna draw a line like this, and the distance between this point and the line will be 30 millimeter. Okay, then you click on OK. Now I'm gonna draw a center line starting from this point. Then I'm gonna click on this line. Then I'm gonna go and use the mirror entities, and the mirror about will be this center line. Then you click on OK. I'm gonna add a line like this. Then I'm gonna go and use the trim entity commands. I'm gonna remove this circle, this part of the line, like this. One by one, take your time. This part of the circle, this line, this part of the circle. Then you click on OK. Now I'm gonna add another circle, like this. And the dimension will be 52 millimeter. Then you click on OK. I'm gonna add a line like this. Now I'm gonna use the trim entities again. You remove this part like this, one by one. Like, take your time. Then you click on OK. Then you exit the workbench. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to features, extruded boss or base. For the first direction, I'm gonna add 5.5 millimeter. And for the second direction, I'm gonna add another 5.5 millimeter. Then you click on OK. Great. Now I'm gonna click on this face. Right click, normal 2, right click, then sketch. I'm gonna draw a circle, and the diameter of the circle will be 5 millimeter, and the distance between this point and this axis will be 26 millimeter. Then you click on OK. I'm gonna exit the workbench, and I'm gonna click on the extruded cut from blind to through all. Then you click on OK. You click on the cut extrude, then you click on the mirror command, and the mirror face or plan will be the right plan. Then you click on OK. Now right click here on this face, normal 2, right click, then you click on sketch. I'm gonna draw a circle of 38 millimeter like this, another circle of 42 millimeter. Then you click on OK. I'm gonna add a line like this. Now I'm gonna go and use the trim entities again like this. I'm gonna remove this part of the line and this part. OK, then exit the workbench. I'm gonna go to the extruded boss or base, add 3 millimeter here. Then you click on OK. You click on the boss to extrude 2. You click on the mirror. For the mirror face or plan, we're gonna be using the front plan. Then you click on OK. We're going to get something like this. Now I'm gonna go and use the fillet command. I'm gonna add a fillet of 2 millimeter here and here. Then you click on OK. Great. Now I'm gonna go and use the chamfer command. I'm gonna add a chamfer of 1 millimeter here, 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 and here. Like, take your time to select the right edges like this. Then you click on OK. So as you can see here on the screen, this is how you can design the second part of the connecting rod of the V12 car engine in SolidWorks. Okay,